Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Right. What is that we are discussing, man?
Flux passing through different.
Hmm.
Yesterday we discussed about hollow cylinders.
Cylinder, no? Fluctuator cylinder. The next aspect is suppose this is the point charge. Taking this as center at a distance of r. If we take equal distance to all three sides, what you will get surface? Throughout in three dimensions, you travel the same distance. All the points will lie where? All the
Yeah.
point equidistance from the point charge will lie on a sphere only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you can see that the lines of force from this will be in which direction? Radial only, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. Now you can see, you take a small area, take any small portion. Of spherical surface. Do you agree? Now can you tell what is the E bar over there? Direction of E bar.
Perpendicular to area.
That means here E bar do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you can see what is the flux linked with this.
E
Do you
bar.
agree with this?
Yes, sir.
What is E actually you got over there? Okay, we'll write it. What is the angle? What is the electric field here at the distance?
Q by R.
Now we want to know the flux. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
In this, what are the constants? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the integral of this? Can you tell? This part. If you add up all DSS, what you will get here?
Here.
Surface area of sphere, no?
Yes, sir.
So now I can write here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. What is the surface area of the sphere? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Follow this? Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
This Sunday you have up to Gauss law. Potential, dipole, electric field, Coulomb's law. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the charge Q. We have taken this. What is the flux through this? Now you can see that flux is nothing but lines of force only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose I take another sphere. What is the flux with this?
Again, Q by epsilon naught, sir.
Because it's independent, no? Flux means the number of lines of force that pass, no? Agreed or not?
Yes.
That means this number of lines of force that are passing is coming out or like this only, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. That means even if I take a surface like this, what is the flux with this surface?
Q by X.
I'll take another surface like this. Then I'll take another surface like this, a
Q.
cone. Okay, this is a cuboid. It is arbitrary shape. Enclosing the charge. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear or not? This is the cone. Okay, followed. Till here, any doubt is there? Hello?
No doubt, sir.
No,
That means number of lines of 4. Do you agree with this? Therefore,
will be same.
same thing you got now? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Ramesh.
tell me. Total flux, total electric flux, will write. Total electric flux emerging out from a closed surface Can I say like that? Because you can see what is that you got here. This is nothing but this Q into 1 by epsilon naught. Now, what is this actually? Total charge
Enclosed.
followed this or not?
Yes, sir.
That means I can summarize like this or not? So that means I write like this: flux through any surface is total charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So this is before myself, another fellow found this. That's why it's named in his honor. This is only the Gauss's law. The total flux that comes out or emerges from any surface is nothing but equal to the product of the charge into the constant 1 by epsilon naught. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
We can say that flux through any surface can be computed as is equal to this sign integrates that surface integration. Understood this, the meaning of this? Is it clear? Either you can use this or this. Whatever is easier, you can do it. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I term this?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
This is Q1. Follow this? Now suppose we need flux through this surface. What is the surface? So this is surface 1. Agree? Actually, it is electric field. We evaluate like this. This integration is difficult. So here I can easily take total charge enclosed by surface. What is the charge enclosed?
Q3 minus Q4.
Even when you integrate, you should get that, but integration is difficult. For that reason, we use this. Now, suppose I need this surface. For this, can you tell? What is flux through N? What is the charge enclosed?
plus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus.
Agreed. And flux through P?
Q3 plus Q6 minus Q2 minus Q5.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Followed this?
Yes, sir. Followed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Completed.
Done, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose this is now if I take any surface like this. Now at any point on this, you can see at any point here, what do? You'll find the electric field now. Electric field here, so this is ds now. Usually what you do, you'll take flux through the surface is E dot ds.
DS.
You'll perform this symbol means surface integral. Okay. That means you take an element, you sum up, no? Now can you tell this electric field is due to which charges?
1
Electric.
outside.
Huh?
Q1, Q3, and minus Q2.
No. Due to we have to take the electric field due to all charges, only enclosed ones.
Enclosed ones.
Closed ones.
Hopeless. Who told that? At this point, see, at this point, you have electric field due to this. This is E4. If you keep plus one charge, you won't be there. Then how you are saying only that? This is again E3. If you keep plus one, this is E2. Okay, and this is E5. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Now you can see E is what actually the net electric field due to all the charges.
Hello, sir.
Tell.
No, sir. No, sir. Clear.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So remember that the total electric field due to all charges
inside and outside of the surface.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Follow this?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, given the definition we wrote, number of lines of force that are coming out of the state charge will all pass through any surface that encloses the charge, right?
Hmm.
So over here we are taking the charges into
See, you pardon?
we're taking charges into consideration as well, sir. That was my
Your voice is not audible. Tell. Here we are taking all field due to all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here I am taking for E, not for the flux. When you are evaluating E dot ds, electric field at this point is due to all charges, no? You cannot stop the electric field to these charges, no? Is it possible?
No, sir. No, sir. Now it makes sense.
But flux means that comes out of this is that is only due to this. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you one thing. Let us see the same situation. That's why physics you need common sense, which is not so common. That is the problem. Now I have enclosed which one? The surface I have taken. Observe carefully what happened. Flux means lines only, no? Any line of force that comes through is this is entering and comes out or not? You take any line.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
That is what is the flux contribution due to this? Whatever enters this is coming out. So what is the flux to the surface due to this?
Q by epsilon naught minus Q by 5.
Zero.
Hopeless
Zero.
fellow, zero. Lines of force that are coming from this entry flux equals exit flux, no?
Yes, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. It's a net flux.
Entry flux is equal to exit flux.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you take anything like this, whatever is entering, it is exiting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So entry flux equals exit flux. That means flux due to this is zero. Flux due to this is zero. Coming back to this, whatever enters is exiting or not?
Yes, sir. Zero. Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Now you can see this inner ones. Inner ones, if you observe carefully, there is only exit. There is no entry of this. Hello, followed this or not?
Following, sir. Following, sir.
That means the charges inside that contribute only for exiting flux. There is no entry flux for that, no? For other charges, entry flux equals exit flux. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can say that for charges do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Hence,
That flux is zero.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agreed.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
clear.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Complete.
Now see, suppose it's a charge Q1, another charge Q2. Now I am taking some surface here. You can observe that lines of force are coming through this, no?
Yes, sir.
Whereas if you look at this, you can see that one line it enters, it comes out, no?
Yes, sir.
Any line that enters has to come out, no?
Yes.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Agreed.
sir. Agree.
Do you agree with it or not? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Total number How many are there? Remember? Long back
Yes,
we
sir.
studied. What is this actually? Remember this?
Yes, sir. Total number of lines of force through unit area.
Unit charge. Q2 unit charge, no? From unit charge you are having 1 by epsilon naught. From a charge give how many lines you will have? Agreed?
Q1 into 1 by epsilon.
Long back we studied 1 by epsilon naught lines of force emerge from U- or long back we studied this, remember?
Yes, sir.
Now here how many lines of force are coming from this? All the lines of force is coming out now from the surface. Follow this.
Yes, sir. Followed.
Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir.
Followed this.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Don't memorize, man. Use your common sense. We learned this long back. Shall I turn this?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So suppose this is Q1 and you have a surface here. Say this is minus Q2, this is Q3. Now, if you observe carefully, how many lines of force come through this? Totally you have how many? In all directions it will go.
1 by inverse.
Sir, Q1 by epsilon 0.
So here I can say that Emerge from where? Agreed. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Great.
Agreed. Negative charge come out, no? Now you can see so here you can see total number of lines that come out from surface means how many are entering, entering lines is how much? Entry means I am taking negative,
Yes, sir.
positive. Is taken as positive. So totally how much you are getting? This is charge enclosed, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood.
Finished this?
1 minute, sir, please, sir. 1 minute.
Done, sir.
The top portion I copied no already.
Yes, sir, completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Understood this? Why flux contribution won't be due to outside charges? Followed on it.
Followed, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, this last part now, sir, total number of lines of force that came out from surface entering, sir, entering plus coming out. Then why we wrote minus Q2, sir?
Both are of different direction. That's what I wrote. If I take emerging flux as positive, entering should be negative now.
Yes, sir.
So this is entering means into. Into means negative now. Going away means positive. Lines of force that enter will be taken as negative.
Yes, sir.
That's what. Minus and this is plus. Agreed?
Sir, sir, but both are inside now, sir. Their flux will go out only now, sir.
How many idiot? What you have written? This is coming out. This is enter into. This is the hopeless fellow, brainless fellow. See, negative charge means lines of force will enter or exit.
Sorry, sir, sorry, sir, sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Forward, sir, forward.
How many years I should teach, man, like this? Huh? And this
Remember,
is
sir.
now you remember.
Sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose this gives 10 lines enter. This is 20 lines are going. Total how many lines will be there in that surface?
10 lines, sir. Yes.
Understood this? Total lines of force that emerge from the surface is nothing but the flux through the surface. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
That means for any system of charges, you may have any system of charges. This is some charges. Okay. Now I take some surface. This is on surface now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
At any point where, suppose this is the ds I am taking. So this is the electric field. This is normal. Understood this? Suppose the net electric field is this. Understood this? Clear net. So you will find out this flux through the surface. Agreed? Followed this? Total flux will integrate this. Because this shape is not a regular shape, you cannot integrate so easily. So what we do that, or the other way is charges enclosed, no, by epsilon naught. What are the enclosed charges? Q5, Q4 minus Q1 minus Q6 by epsilon naught. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? If you can integrate this, you can use this. If you cannot, use this. Followed?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Hmm. Completed? Hello.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
That means flux. Okay. So here this is followed this.
Followed, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Completed.
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the situation is given. There is a cube here. We are considering. We need to know followed this. See,
Yes, sir.
if you observe this, electric field varies with x now. That means electric field is in which direction?
X direction. Plus I.
Do you agree with this? Now, it is
Yes, sir.
variable or not?
Variable.
Variable, sir.
Understood this? Yes, you should know where it is kept. The nearest surface is at distance of here. Till here you followed. Now you can see for the what is the electric field? Do you agree with this? Because what is the value of here?
Yes.
Do you agree with this? Hello.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir. Agree.
Now n cap is in which direction?
Perpendicular to surface.
Yeah.
Plus size direction.
Minus
So, sir,
I.
minus X. Minus X.
Okay, outward normal, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Always remember n cap is outward normal for a closed surface. Okay, followed this?
Yes.
Followed,
Followed.
sir.
Means what is the flux due to that phase? E ds cos 180. Do you agree with this? This is how much you're getting? AQ, no? This
Yes, sir.
is anyhow constant. What is the area of that surface? The area of the surface is how much? A square only, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Square.
Do you agree with this?
Sir, A square.
Where?
A into A, sir. Here, sir. 2A you wrote.
Is it clear? Like that, can you find what is the flux through PQSR? Can you tell?
0.
Yes. E ds cos 90. Why? Because since n cap is along k cap, E is along. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Like that, you find for other two phases, top and bottom. Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree or not with this? Top one, bottom one. See, for the top one, this is n cap, no?
Yes, sir.
Whereas electric
Yes,
field is this side, no?
perpendicular.
Similarly, for this is E, so this is n cap. This is E. Even for front face is the same case, no? Is it clear? Able to visualize?
Yes, sir.
Now only
Yes,
thing you have this flux for
QRC.
because both are outside, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is this? 4a square. And this is nothing but a square, no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Now total flux we need. Now find out, add up these two.
Yes, sir.
Total flux through all phases means add this. Followed this? How much you got?
Sir, got 3a cube into, sorry, 3 into a power 5, sir. 3 into a power 5.
Three into how much? A power 5, huh?
Power 5, yes, sir.
All 6 phases, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Agreed. Now from Gauss law, what you have?
Right. This flux is equal to q by epsilon zero. Epsilon naught.
Charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Therefore, you can get total charge enclosed is how much?
3 epsilon naught into a power.
Follow this? Therefore,
Follows.
I can say given surface is how much?
3A power 5 epsilon.
Completed? Go through that.
Yes.
Any doubt is there?
Uh, no doubt, sir. Clear.
Finished, man.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir. Clear.
No doubts. Clear.
No doubts, sir. Clear.
See, I sent one question. Note down that.
Did not received, sir.
Not received.
Received, sir.
Received, sir.
In the group, it will be there, man. See, you are not in the group number
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
here. Return this.
Yes, sir. Completed. Sir.
This is the wire now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is one surface. He gave that one, no? Rectangular surface.
Yes, sir.
This wire being positive charge, lines of force will come from all sides. Now we'll see some method, it will make things easy. What I do is, I'll assume that this cylinder is, this is part of a cylinder. Okay? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear enough? So if you view from the top, it will like this one, no? You'll be seeing here PS. And you can see QR will be coinciding on the other side, back side. This is the top view, no?
Yes, sir.
When you will get like this, no? This is the wire, no? The center. You're able to get
Yes.
this or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see through this which area will be linked. You should know. Now here you can see this length. Suppose this is L. Then what is enclosed here? What is the enclosed one portion?
Sir,
Yeah, this is the top view we take. Only this part, this is not the another side taken. Now you can see this wire, this cylinder encloses what? How much charge? Length of this is this. Do you agree with this or not? Any doubt is there till here? This is the length enclosed, no? Lambda
Yes,
is the charge per unit length, no? So what is the total charge enclosed?
L
lambda.
lambda.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Now actually this lambda L charge enclosed. So what is the net flux to the cylinder? Is charge enclosed. How much is that?
Lambda by L epsilon naught.
Agreed?
Yes.
Any doubt? Now you can see that which will be going through what? The flux will go through whole cylinder now. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, but one doubt, sir. So this
Tell.
entire road is charged, sir. So we took only length L. Sir.
What is enclosed here? Charge enclosed.
Yes, sir.
Enclosed is what? L only, no?
L only, sir. L only.
That is what I have taken. Enclosed. Followed this?
Followed.
Now, see. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, these lines of force are passing through. What is this anglement totally?
360.
Two per radian. Do you agree with this? Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means the total is 360. We don't want all this. What we need? Only this part, no? Only the flux through this region, no?
Yes,
That
sir.
means only for this part we need, no? Agreed? So we
Agreed,
can
sir.
say that do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
But we need for flux is how much? Do you agree till here? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
We don't want all now, only this region we need now.
Yes, sir. We need that region only.
Is it clear?
Sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now we have to find theta. Again, we'll draw the top view once again. See, he has given this d, I think, no? See,
Yes, sir.
and this totally it is b, no? It's b by 2, no? Then do you agree with this? This is theta by 2, no? So theta is how much? Do you agree with this? Therefore, understood this? Any doubt?
Sir.
Follow this?
Yes, sir.
We need only the flux that passes through this region, no? Agreed.
Yes, sir.
Go through that. Any doubt is there? Ask. You can ask. I'll repeat once again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Sir, after lambda by L epsilon not 1 by 2 pi. The last line what you wrote, sir, for
This one. No?
yes,
For
sir.
arc making an angle theta. This arc. See this
Yes,
arc,
sir.
no?
Yes,
This
sir.
arc makes an angle theta, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Sir, uh, sir,
No, no.
actually, I still didn't understand, sir, how this cylinder enclosed charge lambda L, sir. Sorry, sir, I didn't understand.
The cylinder is L now. This
Yes, sir.
plate length is L now. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
am taking a cylinder of length L now. So
Yes,
wire
sir.
will be from here to here only inside that. Outside
Yes,
wire
sir.
will not contribute, no?
No, sir. Will
Same
not.
thing. That means what is the length enclosed?
L.
So what is the charge in that?
Lambda L. Lambda L.
Same thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. Understood, sir. Now it is clear. Yes.
Followed this?
Followed, sir. Followed.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is clear. Clear.
Fully understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain once again?
Yes, sir. Possible. One more time.
He has given a wireman and he has kept one plate like this. Definitely lines of force will come like this. So you know that we have to assume some surface which is symmetrical around the wire. That will make things easier for us. So here, this is what he has given. Now this wire will be sending flux in all directions. No?
Yes, sir.
That means you can see that this wire has sent do you agree with this? So I am taking a cylinder. Do you agree with this? Follow
Yes,
this
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
That means the charge is the length, no? This length is given as L. That is what he has given. Remember? And this distance is also given as some D or B or something.
D.
Huh? D, yeah?
Yes, sir. D.
Okay.
Yes, sir. D.
And he has given as B. Clear? So through the entire cylinder, if you take, for the entire cylinder, what is the lines of force that coming from the left? Charge enclosed by the cylinder is how much?
Sir. Lambda L.
Okay. So
Will be lambda by L epsilon.
charge enclosed. Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what I
sir.
am saying is that flux, this is the wire now. See, follow carefully. This is the top view. If you look at this is a wire. Now from this wire, fluxes, lines of force are going throughout in all directions now.
Yes, sir.
That means do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? That means flux is how much, man?
Lambda L by epsilon.
Or 120
Flux is how much?
lambda L by epsilon into 1 by 2 pi.
But we know we don't need this entire. We want only through this part, no? This region.
Yes. Theta it will make.
So this is the angle I have taken. Because only the flux in this angle only pass through that, no? Only this portion of flux will be passing. Followed this?
Followed, sir. Followed.
Yes, sir.
And how to find theta? That is what I have done. This is theta by 2. This is b by 2. This is t. So what is tan theta by 2?
B by 2 pi.
I substitute. Any doubt is that till here?
No doubts. Clear.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
It needs all visualization because you people have joined in the name of IIT Advanced, you know what to do. Otherwise, this headache won't be there. The only board you want. Shall I go ahead?
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, this this last one, no, sir, in theta flux is lambda L by epsilon 0. Sir,
Hmm.
this upper surface only, no, sir. You have to take full sheet, no.
No man. Throughout, no, I'm showing. If you look at the top, you are seeing the lines of force will be throughout. At every
Yes.
point, it will be there. Now, how I'll show that? If you look from
Sorry.
the top, lines of force is coming throughout this plane, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. By mistake. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Shall we go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
See, I am showing top view. It is happening throughout. Now, I cannot draw the diagram, no? How can I draw that? Is it possible?
It's not possible, sir. Not possible.
Hmm. You have to visualize. That means the lines of forces passing throughout like this in all directions. Assume this is cylinder. You are looking from top. Lines of force or water is coming from all directions of that. Assume that the cylinder has tiny holes throughout its curved surface and some water is coming out. It comes out from all points and all sides.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
See, since you joined for IIT, I'm teaching for IIT portion. Without all this, I can finish the syllabus and make you happy, but there is no use in that. So I'm not doing such things because at the end of the day, in the final exam, my job is the questions they ask have been covered by me or not. That is my job. Your job is whether you can answer or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now I want to know the flux through this. Shall I do it? See, here also you should use visualization. Just like previous thing, we should construct some surface which will enclose the charge such that the charge will be exactly at the middle of the surface. For that, what you will do? Agree?
Agreed, sir.
Yes.
So I am constructing a cube. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Then what is the flux through all 6 phases? Q is do you agree with this? This implies that do you agree with this? So that means 6 phases. Do you agree with them?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So each phase understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
By 6.
That is the answer now.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Followed. How we are doing? Either you can take E dot ds and integrate or find the charge enclosed to the surface. But through a single part, a portion means you should see that the charge is symmetrically located. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
This is how we find the flux through various situations. Of course, there will be difficult. That is the reason why it's called advanced, no? 2 into 3 equals 6, you want to become an IIT, and how it is possible? If you have this much thinking skills, your creativity and logic will increase. Later on in engineering field, you'll have that creativity. And now you can see the new inventions, how they are doing, because of the brains they were developed now. Imagine that they left all this at 12th class. Will they design all these things nowadays? The innovation, you need something in society, or you want to be an innovator, you need logic, creativity. That means you should have good skills of imagination. Follow till here?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Yes,
sir, one doubt.
Tell.
Sir, how we are doing this with the E dot ds, sir? Can you please show one time, sir?
This we
Please.
cannot do E dot ds for a simple reason that here each one, see, if you want to do this, before doing, you should see whether it's possible or not. Different points are there now. ds is not, everything is varying from point to point now. For every point, E is changing. Okay? Angle is changing now. See, for example, if you take here, this is E, this is N cap. Suppose if you take here, this is E, this is N cap. Is theta not changing?
Changing, sir. Changing.
So now this should be equal to, you take for all point cos theta 1 plus again another point. Like that, how many elements are there?
Infinite. Many elements are there.
Is it possible to add all this?
No, sir.
Because this is not possible, we are going to the charge enclosed. Sometimes this is not this to see, a screwdriver is not working. You should look for another thing, no, to open that, crack that.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Similarly, a customer asks some software designing. If one company doesn't do, you will go to another company. You know, startup companies pay more salary. You know that now? Always branded companies pay less salary. Startup means beginner. Because they want their company to come up, they pay more salaries to attract talent. Branded companies already they have the brand now. So they'll be having that thing, why should we pay so much? They'll hire more number of people because already they have that designing, everything is complete for them. So slowly the startups only will become a branded company, no? You're aware of that?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Bansal started with 12 people in a cycle shed actually. It became 2 lakh students having a properties of millions. Sri Chaitanya started with the biology tuitions for at their house called Mayuri Bam. Mayuri Bhavan, the house name is. It's a 3-bedroom house, that's all. Today it became a place for around 4 lakh students having 4,000 crore profit per year. All this is innovativeness. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you feel difficult, I can't help because I'm trying my level best to ease the subject. This is H.C. Verma question only. Open your book, you'll be seeing in the exercise.
Yes,
So
sir.
you may feel that
NCERT question.
you may feel that I'm teaching something above IIT. This is in H.C. Verma. That's why I'm posting the books also. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes.
then we'll meet tomorrow. Okay? Take care then. Bye.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Take care, sir.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Nice.
Bye, 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 bye.